Here we fitted a Viper 106v Immobiliser on this Fiesta ST. Now, the Immobiliser is a Category 2 Thatcham approved Immobiliser, so it's insurance approved. So if your insurance company requires an Immobiliser, this will satisfy their needs. And being on a Fiesta ST, I think is quite crucial. Some sort of security is required on these vehicles because they are listed as one of the highest cars being stolen in the UK at the moment, purely because they have this keyless entry. And they find a very easy way of getting around these cars and getting it started. So the actual original Ford alarm system is extremely weak in air mobilisation, weak with it. So any security on these always helps. And in this particular one, we've done the Viper 106v. Now, that's the little receptacle tag that comes with the Immobiliser. So how it works is that you have a receptacle that's actually installed into the vehicle itself, and you have this tag, and you just insert that into the receptacle, take it out, disengage the Immobiliser and start it up. As simple as that. So let me just show you how it works. So if you just come over here and have a look. So if I try to start it without actually doing anything, actually it won't start. It's completely immobilised. So the receptacle's mounted here. It's got a flashing red LED. So it's the centre of the vehicle, so anyone looking in from the passenger side or the driver's side is going to see a flashing LED, and they're going to know there's something aftermarket that's been installed in this vehicle. So all we have to do is put that in there, let it go. The LED starts flashing quite fast. While it's doing that, you can start the vehicle up. Like so. And when you turn the vehicle off, the LED is flashing fast again, and that means all the time it's flashing fast, you can just start it up again. But once it slows down, which is 30 seconds after you turn the ignition off, it's then immobilised. So you don't actually do anything to re-immobilise it, it'll do it automatically 30 seconds after you turn the ignition off. So really simple to use. So that's the Viper 106v Immobiliser, which is insurance approved, fitted to this Fiesta ST.